Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go, maybe and leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a premium mattress that I am absolutely in love with. So first off, came time to replace our mattress. Did all the little research out there, went to some of the stores, laid on. One of the things I hate about laying on mattresses in stores is you just can't really make that snap judgment by laying on it for a few seconds or minutes or whatnot, and then come home and sleep on it. It's gonna be a different experience. At least it is in my eyes. So after kind of doing all our little research, we decided to go with a brand called Helix. And I am absolutely impressed with this brand. So we ordered it online. The mattress came in a box, opened it up. It was all kind of vacuum sealed, undid it, and then before you know it, the mattress completely inflated. Now, a big thing also to note is it had no weird chemical or off-gassing smells, had no odors at all. So that was another huge plus. You never know when you start unfolding products nowadays if they have this smell. It did not have a smell, which is obviously very important because you spend about a third of your life sleeping. So you want to make sure that you have something super, super comfortable and doesn't smell bad either. So that was kind of the experience, was all fully set up, very, very easy to utilize, very easy to unbox, and then beginning our journey. Now I've waited to do this video because I wanted to experience this for a good amount of time. It's been over 9 months since we got this mattress, and I wanted to make sure that I'm continuously enjoying it. And I have noticed a change because I have a smartwatch which does my sleeping scores, and my sleeping scores actually improved once we got this mattress. So the particular model that I have here is called the Midnight Luxe. Now we also got the little cooling pad on top of it, which is called the GlacioTex Cooling kind of built. You can get that, it's completely optional. You can stick with just the Midnight Luxe, or you can choose to get the cooling pad on top of the Midnight Luxe. Now I have a particular queen size, but you can get this mattress in the singles, the double, the queen, the king, etc. So it's versatile in the way they have it. Now, what makes the Midnight Luxe different from their other types of mattresses that they have? And that's particularly, it caters to different sleeping styles. So me and my partner, we sleep different. She has a tendency to sleep on her side a lot. I sleep on my back a lot, and then sometimes even end up on my stomach. So we needed something that was gonna feel comfortable no matter which side you are sleeping, which is very important to us. Now, another way, this thing is a medium firmness when it comes to sleeping. We both like that medium. We don't like things that are hard as rock, but we also don't like stuff that are super, super soft, because then back starts hurting over time. So the way this mattress is built is it has several unique layers. So the first off, you're gonna have that pillow top. That's that instant comfortable you feel. It absolutely is great when you come in after a long day and lay in this. Now you can also have that cooling aspect that I mentioned earlier, which is cool to touch. That's the only part of this mattress I don't really notice a huge difference. I still get hot at night, but it definitely feels cooler to touch compared to our old mattress. Now, obviously, I think if you put on like one of those spill-proof mattress pads, I'm not sure how much of that effect you would be getting through it, but you know, it's kind of up to you whether you want to give that aspect a try. Below the pillow top is essentially the cradling foam, which is giving you that support, and then below that is going to be the pressure relieving foam. And those two foams are working together to make sure you don't have any pressure, and you're going to make sure you wake up without the aches and the pains. Then below that is you're going to have the zoning coils. Now these are pretty cool because they're individually wrapped coils. In this thing, when you are tossing and turning, your partner is going to barely feel it. Obviously, if you have a king bed, they're most likely not going to feel it at all. You can be jumping on this and have a glass of water at the end of the mattress, and it's not going to be moving. It's pretty cool as far as the aspect of isolating that movement, which means you're just going to sleep better without you're sleeping with somebody else. It's going to be less disturbing. Then on the very bottom is going to be a dense foam layer, and that's giving you that final layer of support before you're sitting this mattress on a just traditional box spring mattress setup. Now, I'd like to point out is the way this is designed is specifically with all those layers. This is not a mattress you're going to flip seasonally or anything like that. You can rotate it, but after the 9 months, we've still not rotated it. I haven't had any divots or any kind of imprinting into the mattress or the memory foam, which is another nice aspect of it. We also do have an adjustable base, which we also got at the same time. So the feet can raise, the head can raise, and where those creases are, haven't had any kind of permanent markage or anything like that. It's able to bend with ease and put down with ease, and we've never had any issues with that adjustable aspect, which just shows you the quality of the mattress. But overall, it's been super comfortable. It has no fiberglass in it, which is another thing we did not want. We didn't want any of that fiberglass, because sometimes when those come through, the little shards of glass, they kind of, even though they're thin like paper, they kind of get itchy, if you will. And then this is US assembled here. It's right here in the United States. I think the plant's in Arizona or something like that. So that was another nice aspect. It's was coming from right here. But if you are looking for a super comfortable mattress that's a premium feel, I totally recommend giving Helix a try, in particular their Midnight Luxe series. Absolutely a great mattress, and you will be sleeping better. Totally recommend. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.